are here at Walmart and I'm just going to the pink section. So yeah, I'll be right there. I got the stuff that I needed from Walmart and now it's time to go home and start this DIY. I'm so excited. So I use these gift boxes from Dollar Tree. I'm making 2 boxes. Dollar Tree unfortunately does not sell plain white boxes, so I had to spray paint them first. I took my boxes outside and I did 1 coat. I wish I had done 2 coats, but that's fine, maybe next time. And I let them dry for 12 hours. And after that, I was ready to start my project. I used the Dollar Tree floral foams. I used the Dollar Tree roses as well. I needed 2 bundles per flower box. I used my wire cutting scissors to cut the wires. And I also used my hot glue gun to secure the floral foams to my box. And I started placing each rose. I needed 3 roses per row, and I did 4 rows altogether, which was 12 roses. This project, guys, was so much fun and super satisfying, like piercing the wire through the floral foam. That was really fun. And yeah, I love the way it turned out, and you just want to kind of like want to play with it, arrange the flowers accordingly. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I absolutely love the way it turned out, and I cannot wait to make more. I can do this all day, guys. So to my flower boxes, I added these really pretty ribbons that I found at Dollar Tree. So I got an ivory one and this dusty rose one, and I had my sister-in-law help me tie them, and these are the results. I absolutely love the way that they turned out, and they're gonna look super beautiful in my beauty room once I'm in our house. So yeah, guys, I hope you are inspired to do this. So DIY number 2, we are making a small mirror tray inspired by the ones at Home Goods, and I used these acrylic diamonds from Dollar Tree and this round frame mirror from Dollar Tree as well. I just went ahead and I disassembled the mirror, taking out all the glue, and I placed each diamond one by one before gluing it just to see where it would go and how many I would need. And I used my hot glue gun and I just glued it all in place. But I went and I used my E6000 to secure everything and make it more durable, and this is how it looks. Super gorgeous and glam. And I wanted to add some feet to my mirror tray, so I used 3 marbles from Dollar Tree, of course. I just picked the ones that were clear. I flipped my tray over and I used my E6000 glue, and I just went ahead and I glued them in place. And yeah, guys, that was super easy. I flipped it over, let it dry, and these are the results. Alright, my love, so the last DIY is designer inspired picture frames, and you're going to be needing these picture frames from Dollar Tree. They're 8x10. I just went on my computer and I just googled Chanel pictures, Chanel logos, whatever it is that you are into. I wanted these ones, and that's the one that I picked. They had so many options, so many pretty pictures, and you just want to go ahead and save it to your computer and then print it using your printer, of course. And that is it, guys. Super easy, and these are my final results.